Hi everyone, my name is Janelle John and I'm presenting on behalf of Group 1. Our group members consist of Jordan Lewis, Kimberly Evans, and Aaron Arrington, as well as myself, Janelle John. And the research that we reviewed was antecedent assessments and assessment-based treatments of off-task behavior in a child diagnosed with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. The research was completed by William A. Flood and David A. Wilder at the University of Pacific. This research sought to understand the relationship between adult and teacher attention and task difficulty as it relates to off-task behaviors in children with ADHD. The focus of this research was an 11-year-old boy named John who was diagnosed with ADHD. The research was conducted in a psychological clinic affiliated with local university for service. The target behavior observed was off-task behavior, which was defined as looking away from academic tasks for 3 or more seconds, failure to write or erase for more than 5 consecutive seconds, or emitting verbalization that were not relevant to the task. The off-task behavior was also percentage of problem answered correctly, which was measured using individuals' permanent product. The assessment procedures for this research included 4 conditions. These conditions were comprised of the phases of high attention or easy task, high attention, difficult task, low attention, easy task, low attention, difficult task. Prior to the implementation of treatment procedures in this study, John was trained on functional communication training to raise his hand or to ask for help for difficult problems. During the treatment phase, the 4 conditions was session in which the therapist provided the individual no attention unless he requested help by raising his hand. The session also included a contingency contract. The contract allowed John to earn access to 1 preferred item for every 10 problems he completed correctly, with the ability to earn multiple items per session. The design phases included an antecedent assessment based on the procedures by Mayer in 1999. The conditions included high attention, high difficulty, high attention, low difficulty, low attention, high difficulty, and low attention, low difficulty. The results for this study indicated that intervention effectively reduced off-task behavior and increased problem answered correctly. Off-task behavior is socially significant behavior to review because it is prohibiting the individual from completing the same academic tasks as his peers. Academic success is valued in our society, and off-task behavior prohibits that. The design of this research was based on John Myers' 1999 antecedent assessment. The result of the study indicates that the intervention effectively reduced off-task behavior and increased the correct responding in answering problems. Off-task behavior is socially important because academic achievement is socially important in society. Additionally, reducing off-task behavior allows individuals to remain on task. So that is the end of my presentation. Thank you for watching.